Let's watch her. Make sure she does it right. That's not right. Huh, is that right?
No.
No.
Teach her how to do it. You do it like that. You do it like this. You do it like this.
Do they dress them or do they dress themselves? Do they wear their own clothes?
Let me show
We're
you
back
how
to
to
the
do
80s,
this.
baby. We're back to the 80s.
Let me show you.
I don't remember anything like that.
You're a ballerina and you can do this. You can do
A lot
this.
of people confuse the 70s with the 80s.
Do like this. Be tense.
Look at the flannel with the spandex.
Do it like that.
The
Let me hold that.
hairspray
Drop it. And now do this.
Tina looks like she just got out of bed and forgot to comb her hair.
Like that. Now, wrap it with this. Make it
Yeah,
A.
looks good. You're right.
Now, I'm going to pick somebody new. You new?
No, I'm the audience.
No.
What do I have to do?
You have to do this.
I can't do that.
Like this.
Ouch! I can't. I promise I can't.
Okay, I must try to do this. This.
Try to do what?